Have you ever tried eggs with tomatoes and potatoes? If not, you're missing out on a simple yet delectable Middle Eastern dish that you can prepare at home. This culinary delight, hailing from the diverse and rich Middle Eastern kitchens, is a testament to the magic that can happen when simple ingredients come together. It's a dish that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious, making it perfect for any meal of the day. So, are you ready to cook? Excellent! Let's gather the ingredients you'll need. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. Start off with 4 fresh eggs. These will be the main star of our dish. Next, grab 2 medium-sized potatoes. Make sure to peel them and cut them into small cubes. Then, you'll need 2 medium-sized tomatoes, also cut into small cubes. For a bit of a flavor punch, we'll use 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic, crushed. To cook everything nicely, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Don't forget the seasoning. We'll need salt and black pepper, all according to your preference. Last but not least, we've got some chopped parsley for garnish. It's going to add a pop of color and a nice fresh flavor to our dish. Now that we have all the ingredients, it's time to start cooking. First things first, heat a deep pan over medium heat and add 2 generous tablespoons of olive oil. Now, let's saute the medium-sized onion that you've already chopped. Add in the 2 cloves of garlic that you've taken the time to crush. Stir them around until they become soft and translucent, a beautiful base for any dish. Next, it's time for the potatoes. You've peeled and cubed 2 medium-sized potatoes and they go straight into the pan. Stir them around with the onion and garlic. Let these ingredients get to know each other for about 5 to 7 minutes until the potatoes start to soften. Following the potatoes, add the diced tomatoes into the mix. Stir everything together, making sure each piece of potato is acquainted with a piece of tomato. Cover your pan and let these ingredients cook on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's time for the next step when your potatoes are tender and the tomatoes have broken down, creating a flavorful and aromatic base. Now comes the piece de resistance, the eggs. Crack 4 eggs into a separate bowl, season with salt and pepper to taste, and give them a good whisk until everything is well combined. Pour this egg mixture over the potatoes and tomatoes in the pan. Stir gently to distribute the eggs evenly. Cover the pan once again and let the eggs cook on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for the eggs to set and fully cook, marrying all the flavors together. And now, for the final touch, sprinkle some finely chopped parsley over the top. This not only adds a pop of color but also a fresh, herbaceous note that cuts through the richness of the dish. And just like that, your eggs with tomatoes and potatoes is ready to be served. This dish is as versatile as it is delicious, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. Enjoy your culinary creation. So, what have we done today? We've created a delicious Middle Eastern dish using simple ingredients that you most likely already have in your kitchen. We started with 4 eggs, 2 medium potatoes, and 2 medium tomatoes. We peeled and diced the potatoes, diced the tomatoes, and finely chopped an onion. We crushed 2 cloves of garlic and gathered 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and some chopped parsley for garnishing. We heated a deep frying pan over medium heat, adding the olive oil. We sauteed the chopped onion and crushed garlic until they became soft and transparent. We then added the diced potatoes and sauteed them with the onions and garlic for about 5 to 7 minutes until they started to cook. Next, we added the diced tomatoes and stirred well. We covered the pan and let the ingredients cook over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes were soft and the tomatoes had broken down. We then cracked the eggs into a separate bowl, adding salt and pepper, and beat until well combined. We added this to the pan over the potatoes and tomatoes, stirring to evenly distribute the eggs. We covered the pan again and let the eggs cook over low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until they were set and fully cooked. Finally, we sprinkled chopped parsley over the dish for garnish. So, next time you're looking for a quick and satisfying meal, Remember this eggs with tomatoes and potatoes recipe? Happy cooking!